Hi, my lovelies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And welcome to another Savannah haul video. So, yes, guys, in this haul, you're gonna see some amazing, cute tops for this summer for you all. So, which are really affordable. So, make sure to watch this video till the end. So, now, without any further ado, let's get started. So yes guys, in this haul I have some cute tops from Savannah for this summer. So make sure to watch this video till the end, okay? So yes guys, starting with our first item, I have this cute bow top going on right here. So this is the first top that I have with me guys. It's so cute. Just look at it. It's giving me pura vintage wala vibe. This is this checkered cute bow top. You can see that you can make bow with this one like this. Ta-da! एंड देन नीचे वाला आपको ना ऐसा वाला मिल जाएगा, ये बटन वाला क्लोजर मिल जाएगा. एंड it's so cute guys. It's a cotton material and I really love this floral design going on. It has this puffy sleeves as well. आपको ना ऐसा वाला elastic भी मिल जाएगा इधर. Just look at it, so cute. And I'm in size medium. Since small available नहीं था तो मैंने medium ही ले लिया क्योंकि I loved it so much. It is so summer. It will make you feel so relaxed and cute and comfortable at the same time. पीछे से ऐसा वाला है, पीछे से पूरा simple design है guys. And थोड़ा सा see through है. You can see that, so you can wear some kind of sling if you're not comfortable. Otherwise you can wear just a bra and then on top of that you can go with this one. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me and its original price is 890 rupees, but on sale it just cost me 650 rupees, and I think in 650 it is the cutest deal ever. So yes guys, this is the first item. Okay, so now moving towards another cute top. Another cute top that I have with me is this red cute top, guys. This red color is like so vibrant, so summery. Like just look at it. You can wear this as a blouse as well for your sari, and you can wear this on top of the skirt and on top of pant, and you can even wear while going to the office. You can just put some blazer out of it, and then from inside you can go with this one. It fits me so well. I'm in size small, and then you can see that it has this little bow thing going on. Bow is still on trend guys, and it has this kind of sleeves going on right here. Pura ऐसा string wala sleeves bhi nahi hai, so it will not make you feel uncomfortable as well. So it is a ribbed material, and you can see that it is pura stretchable as well. And for this top, its original price is 390 only, so it cost me 390 only guys. It is so cute, super comfortable. Material is really good. It will make you look very vibrant and very beautiful. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me. Okay, so now this is another top. आप लोगों ने मेरा Instagram में देखा ही होगा. I've already used this one while going to the work, and I just absolutely love it, guys. Just look at it. How cute is this one? It has this floral design going on all over it, and again it is a cotton material. थोड़ा सा shiny में है guys, and I love this design, love this rose kind of thing going on. And then आगे से ऐसा वाला है, आपको ये adjust कर सकते हो. You can adjust it, and थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसा pearl वाला design भी दिया हुआ है. I love this collar design as well. It has this V neck to it, and then पूरा sleeves में भी ऐसा वाला frill दिया हुआ है. पूरा मतलब ऐसा वाला आपको princess वाला feel दे देगा ये वाला. And then just look at it, length maybe lamba hai, you can just tug it in, or like you can style it in your own way. It's totally up to you. I just absolutely love it. I'm in size medium. Again, small available nahi tha to maine medium mein le liya, and for this one it cost me 690 rupees, and I think in 690 it is a good deal guys, but its original price is 1200 something, but maine 690 mein offer mein le liya. So yes guys, this is another item. Okay, so another item that I have with me is the one that I'm wearing right here, guys. I love this top. It is a baseball top with, you know, big neck to it. आप ऐसा वाला off shoulder भी बनाकर लगा सकते हो, और पूरा ऐसा वाला off shoulder भी बनाकर लगा सकते हो. It's totally up to you how you want to style it. Look at it. It's so cool guys. It has this combination of dark blue and cream, so it's written here as 98. I really love this type of t-shirt. It is like pura you know, I'm in size small, but pura matlab aisa wala oversized t-shirt hai guys. Length mein bhi lamba hai. You can style this in pant or skirts or half pant. It's totally up to you. So summer appropriate, especially if you are from hilly region. Itna zyada patla bhi nahi hai guys. So cute. And for this one it cost me 890 rupees, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so yes guys, if you are into this kind of like, you know, top, just go for it. Okay, so now moving towards our another item, the item that I was more asked for, like, you know, मैंने Instagram में ये और ये story ये post किया है, तो you guys asked me from where it is. So the item that I'm talking about is this corset top guys. Yes, this corset top is from सवाना। जस्ट लुक एट, ये बैक साइड का है, आपको ऐसा वाला खींच कर बांधना पड़ेगा एंड ये वाला ना पूरा मुझे हिस्ट्री में ले जाता है गाइज। आई जस्ट लव विद दिस कॉर्सेट वाला, वी हैव heard lot of stories about it as well. Again, it makes me look like a princess and especially it will help you hide your stomach as well and आपका फिगर इतना अच्छा निकाल देता है guys. And just look at the pattern going on, absolutely love it. ये आपको ऐसा वाला ऊपर में, you can wear it like this also और ऐसा भी करके, it's totally up to you. So this is the black one. I loved it so much that I decided to go for white one as well. So the item that I have with me is, ta-da guys, this is the one, this black and white. Just look at it guys, it मुझे ये इतना पसंद आया ना, so मैंने ये भी ले लिया है guys. Just look at it, इतना ज़्यादा cute है and it is not that expensive as well. For each it cost me 890 rupees and I think in 890 it is a steal deal guys. It is also available in red color, so I highly suggest you guys to go for it because I absolutely love it guys. Okay, so another item that I have with me is this shirt right here guys. I just absolutely love this shirt. So many asked you like from where I got this one. This is from Savannah and it is a bow tie top guys. Trust me, it's so cute and पीछे से आपको ऐसा वाला ये मतलब tie करने के लिए ये भी मिल जाएगा. Help you show your figure properly and then I just absolutely love it and I'm in size small and then I love this puffy sleeves going on. ये वाला bow tie भी मिल जाएगा which is super cute and I hope you can see me here on the screen. This is one of my favorite and its original price is I think 1000 and something, but on sale it just cost me 690 rupees and I think in 690 it is a steal deal. So yes guys, and this is the last top that I have with me. Okay, so the last item that I have with me in this haul is, ta-da! Guys, this is the dress and I love this dress. Like, just look at it. Pura vintage wala, Barbie wala vibe hai. Guys, trust me. Just look at it, guys. Pura royal wala vibe hai. I just love this dress. First of all, let's appreciate this fur going on and then these buttons as well. How cute is this buttons? And then just look at the sleeves as well. And sleeves maybe aisa wala pura fur wala design diya hua hai. Like it's a synthetic material, so good guys. ये बाहर का कोट जैसा है and अंदर से ऐसा वाला लेंथ वाला ड्रेस है. It is not even see through, so appropriate for summer as well. So yes guys, this is the cute dress that I have with me and I'm in size small and its original price is 1490 rupees, but on sale it just cost me 1260 rupees and I think in 1260 it is a steal deal guys. So yes guys, this is another cute item that I have with me. So yes guys, this is the last item and please do let me know in the comment box below which item from today's haul did you like the most and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.